Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel, and for the people who are new here, welcome. My name is Gagan and I'll be really happy if you watch this video till the end, and if you like this video then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. So for today's video I am going to be sharing a few hairstyles with you all, and people doesn't matter if you have short or long hair, you can do these hairstyles. It works on all types of hairs like short, long, medium length, whatever. So, and also if I post this video before Diwali, then you can do these hairstyles on Diwali. So yeah, I just hope you find this video helpful and like this video. And yeah, so without making this intro very long, let's just jump into the video. For the first hairstyle, start off by taking a partition of your hair from behind like I am doing, and also make sure to pin the rest of your hair behind so that they do not come in between, and start braiding this partition normally. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you are done making both the braids, make sure to take all your hair behind, like don't let them come on your face, and take the braid on the other side and secure it with a bobby pin or a tic tac pin. And do the same thing with the other braid, but make sure that you do not overlap these two braids, let them be side by side. Take out a few strands of your hair in front if you want. And yeah, you're done with your hairstyle. If you want, you can tie a ponytail if you have pretty long hair and you cannot manage it to be open all the time. For the next hairstyle, make a middle partition and take a small section of your hair from the front. And before starting off with the hairstyle, take out a few strands if you want, and then start rolling the partition and secure it behind with a bobby pin. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Once you are done, secure both the rolls together with a bobby pin. And yeah, you're done with your hairstyle. If you want a braided hairstyle, then you can also tie a braid behind. For the next hairstyle, secure your hair behind into a high ponytail, and also make sure that your ponytail is really tight. Then tease out your hair again to make it look messier and puffier, and also take out a few strands in the front. Then tie a normal braid behind. After you're done making a braid, roll it around your hair tie and secure it with bobby pins or U-pins. And yeah, you're done with your hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, start off by taking a section of your hair from your brow level. Like I cannot explain, but look at how I am doing it, and then secure it behind into a ponytail. After that, tease out your hair a little to make it look puffier and messier. Then take a small section from the side and start braiding it. Make the same braid on the other side as well. Once you are done making both the braids, take one of the braid and roll it around your hair tie, then secure it behind your ponytail with a tic-tac pin. And repeat the same steps for the other braid as well. And you're done with your hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, make a middle partition and then take a small section of your hair from the top. Then take out a few strands in the front and then make a normal braid. Once you are done making that braid, secure it with a tic-tac pin and then take another small section and braid it. After that, take another third small section and braid that one too. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Once you are done making all the braids, section your hair into half and then take all the braids behind and tie them together into a ponytail. And here you are done with your hairstyle. So yeah, those are all the hairstyles that I wanted to share with you all. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and that you liked all the hairstyles. And let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite one. And if you found this video helpful, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you really very soon in my next video. Bye.